How to hide followers in Instagram. Now, if you want to hide or not show your followers in Instagram, all you have to do is to tap on your profile icon on the lower corner. Now, you just have to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here, and you just have to scroll down. Once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on account privacy right here. Now, when you switch your account to private account, like this one, so when your account is private, only those followers of yours that you have approved will be able to share your content as well as see your content on Instagram. So if you want to hide your followers on Instagram to every people on the internet, all you have to do is to switch to private account right there. And once you're there, you just have to go back. And if you want to hide your followers to a specific person, all you have to do is to tap on your followers or following right there and go to their profile. Let's say right there. Now, the next thing to do is to restrict them or block them totally. Let's say right there. So that they won't be able to see your content as well as the followers that you have on Instagram. Right there. So that's how to hide followers on Instagram. Hope we help.